first year engineering students. Of course, for the first year engineering students, throughout the year, all the subjects we will cover in 2 semesters. 5 subjects for first semester and 5 subjects for second semester. Let us see the subjects for first semester, that is FE part 1. There are 5 subjects. Out of that, applied science is one of the important subjects which we have to study. 100 marks allotted for this subject and 25 marks of term works in the form of practicals we will complete. Here, applied science, applied means basically applications of the sciences. So for the engineering, applications of sciences is very, very important. That means physics, chemistry and mathematics. We have to learn the details of these 3 basic sciences, and we will learn how we useful, that is applications of basic fundamental things in practice, and this is known as engineering. So that on the basis of fundamental things from the sciences, we can apply it, and this application, the outcome of this application is the different types of instruments. We can build different types of instruments using these basic or fundamental sciences. In 12th standard, you have studied that these sciences, basics of the sciences. Only enhancement is for the engineering is that applications of this, some applications of these sciences we have to see under the subject applied science. And now applied science consists of physics and chemistry. Section 1 is chemistry and section 2 is physics. So section 1 again consists of maximum 3 units, that is unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 according to our syllabus structure, and section 2, that is physics, again consists of 3 units. So that unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 for chemistry, and in continuation of this, unit 4, 5, 6, that is total 3 units for the physics. Now you see the details of unit-wise syllabus. Each unit consists of again important points. Generally, there are 2 important points included under each unit. We say unit 4. That is the unit first of section 2, that is physics. So unit wise, again there are some points and we have to discuss that points in detail, and examination point of view, the question paper depends upon these 3 units of section 2 of 50 marks. Means physics 50 marks and chemistry 50 marks. This is the detailed structure of this applied science subject. Now, discuss the section 2nd, that is physics, unit 1, and this unit 1, the important chapter is interference. According to university pattern, see the details of this interference. How many points included under this interference chapter? So interference is of course interference of light, and this lesson or chapter consists of again introductory part, interference due to thin film, non-uniform and uniform thickness of that film is considered. This is totally application oriented. Then fringe width is the important point included under this interference. Then Newton has developed an important theory. According to that, one important point is included under this interference, that is Newton's theory. This theory is very important in the application of optical instruments in the engineering. Then few applications of Newton's rings is included in this chapter. Then another scientist have studied this interference known as Michelson's, and he has developed one important instrument which is known as Michelson's interferometer. Of course, it is basically designed on the principle of interference of light, and separate applications also included on the basis of Michelson's interferometer. Generally, it is very difficult to find out the refractive index of liquid, and refractive index of very thin surface, and in this regard this interferometer is used. Lastly, in general, the how interference pattern or how interference chapter is useful in the engineering, and based on this there are 2 important applications included in our syllabus, that is testing of optical flatness. Second, non-reflecting or anti-reflecting coatings. This idea based on the interference of light is very useful in the engineering application.